The Municipality of Banate is a part of the 4th District in the province of Iloilo in Western Visayas, Region 6. It was founded in 1763 and was re-established in 1843. The total area is about 102.89 kilometers squared or 39.73 square miles. The population during the 2020 census is about 33,376, comprising 8,209 households. For its economy, the Municipality of Banate is a 4th municipal income class. The revenue in 2020 is 133.6 million. Assets is 279.4 million, expenditure is 100.7 million, and the liabilities is 39.61 million. The zip code of the Municipality of Banate is 5010 and it is composed of 18 barangays. The Municipality of Banate is politically subdivided into 18 barangays. Each barangay consists of poroks and some have sitios. There are 7 barangays which are along the coast and the rest are in the interior uplands. The following are the 18 barangays comprising the Municipality of Banate. We have Barangay Alakaygan, Barangay Bariga, Barangay Bilen, Barangay Bubon, Barangay Bularan, Barangay Carmelo, Barangay de la Paz, Barangay Dugwakan, Barangay Fuentes, Barangay Juanico, Barangay Libertad, Barangay Magdalo, Barangay Managupaya, Barangay Merced, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay San Salvador, Barangay Talukgangan, and Barangay Zona Sur. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.